Alright everybody, appreciate you taking time to watch this video, and what we have today is some gold bullion. I made an order from SD Bullion. It's the first time I've ever ordered from them, and I have 3 shipments coming, so I actually don't know what's in this one. All I did was remove the identifying information that's currently on here, or was on here I should say, but the package is completely untouched as far as being open. And we're going to find out what's in here. I know what all I've ordered, but that's all I know at this point on what's in here. Probably going to have some kitty cat help, which is fine too. But let's get started and get it open so I don't make this video too long just for you to see some gold. Alright. Let's see what's in this here box. Might take a minute to explain while I'm opening this up why I bought this gold specifically. This isn't the first time I bought gold or silver, but I don't buy it as an investment so much. It's more along the lines of, you never know what's going to happen, or what's going to happen with a country or a dollar, or the existing monetary policies, and it never hurts to have something worth value that you can, pass out if you had to barter for something, or maybe hand it down after you die. Nothing else in that box. So this is the boxing that SD Bullion shipped it in. Let's see what else we got here. I know a lot of people talk about it being an inflation play. I don't personally agree with that, but what it can do is, in the event of mass catastrophe, it's a good savings mechanism. The performance of it hasn't been spectacular over the years, but at the same time, we haven't had a crisis like some countries have had, so who knows, may or may not ever be worth anything major in my lifetime, but being in my mid-40s, got a lot of life left, you never really know what's going to happen. So, let's see what we ended up with in this package. I got some bubble wrap in there, empty box. Again, this is SD Bullion. I don't get paid by anybody for anything like this, so this is just somebody I happen to order from for the first time. So, it's not an endorsement by any means. And then put it inside of a vanilla envelope here. This looks like it's probably going to, well, there's 2 things in here. One's coins, and I can tell what those are, but we'll get those in a second. So first off, we're going to open up these Credit Suisse 1-ounce bars. And I bought 10 of them this go around. It came in a nice thick Ziploc there. So here's what they look like, if I can get one up close here. Sorry about the lighting. I'm not a pro at this, as you can tell. We'll see if I get better if I keep doing videos. That's the back side of it. So these are Credit Suisse 1-ounce gold bars. And as you can see, there's 10 of them here. And I'll try and get some better views of this once I get towards the end, after I have it all out. As you can tell, that was the first time I've opened it, so I'm dealing with it as I go. Alright, let's see what's in here. So they put it inside of one of those plastic holders. Put some of that, I think it's nylon reinforced tape over it. Stuff packed pretty good. I didn't know exactly what to expect from. Some people ship things well, other people's don't. So far, pretty happy with the packaging, so it doesn't get damaged in transit. Obviously, those bars would be hard to damage anyway, just because they're in those cards. Let's see here. So this is, I know this is, well, I suspect this is going to be 10 coins, assuming they were able to get them all from one shipping location. It did have to come from multiple locations, my order, which isn't a bad thing necessarily, but keeping stuff in multiple places. Got a little packing top thing at the top, so I don't know if there will actually be 10 in here. These are the Canadian gold maple leafs that I ordered. See if I can get them all out of here. There's some. I also want to be careful that I'm not damaging anything. Alright, so see if I can get you a good close up here. Oh, turn it the backwards way. So these would be 0.999949% solid gold. Again, I'll try and get some better shots of this whenever I get done. But let's see, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, there's 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so I did get all 10 Canadian maple leaves in 4.9 quality, and obviously the gold bars are also 4.9. But so anyway, let me see if I can get some better pictures of this, because I'm not trying to make this 10 hours long. And let's see here, see what I can come up with. That's horrible lighting, isn't it? So there's the front. There's the back. See how shiny it is, which is kind of harming me with my light here being shiny, but there's that. And then we have all the bars here. Make sure we got 10. 5. So it looks like we got all 10 of those. And then we got all 10 of these, and I've got, I think, 2 more shipments coming to complete the order I just placed the other day. And maybe in some future videos here, I'll give some more explanation as to why I'm buying some gold again. It's been a while since I bought any gold or silver, and on this order, I only bought gold. And we'll do that. And then on another thing, I'm unwinding some positions in my stock portfolio. And I'm going to try and just start with like maybe a couple $100,000 account and show you how I do some dividend investing as well as standard investing. I don't know if it'll be of help to you or not, but I'm going to throw it out there and see if anybody likes it. And if you do, great. And if you don't, and somebody else is a better resource, obviously always check around for any resource that you can get your hands on and make your own determinations. But anyway, for me, I'll try and get another look here, maybe at a different angle. It's kind of tough with that light, isn't it? So there is the face, and there is the back side. And on these again, there's the front, and there is the back. And try and take it easy. I missed the first YouTube video that I've made, so I'm sure I have crummy lighting, probably crummy audio. And I'll try to get it better after I see how this one turns out. But anyway, if you did watch this all the way through, I certainly appreciate it, and hopefully I'll get around to making some more videos. Thanks.